Welcome back. Property and Lifestyle Expo 2011 recently concluded in Panji. 18 construction companies and financial institutions took part in this expo. The expo gave options to people on selecting homes, property and housing loan under one roof. Organizers have decided to have another expo in Margao on the 26th and 27th of this month.
Vincent Graphics presented this Property and Lifestyle Expo 2011 in association with CRE, DAI and Navin Times. Construction companies from all over Goa and even from neighbouring Sawantwadi participated in this expo. Expo received good responses as people can choose their new home and even got advice on home loan under one roof.
There is a fair on 26th and 27th October at BPS Club of this month. Then again a bigger fair is planned in end of January or first week of February, wherein we are going to invite builders from outside Goa also. The main aim behind this event is that if a person wants to buy a flat or a house or a bungalow, to make available for him best of option by bringing in all the builders, the famous builder of Goa, also the financial institution, so the person can know what schemes are available, what option he has, what discounts are offered by a builder.
A video journalist from Panji, Sushant Pearl.
Now news from sports. The 2011-12 I-League season promises stunning fireworks. Defending champions Salgaocar Sports Club and former champions Churchill brothers have installed themselves as the favourites to win the league title after lifting a national title each in the recent times. Four-time champions Dempo Sports Club will also be expected to mount a title challenge, although they have been quiet in the build-up. Here is a report.
Defending champions Salgaocar Sports Club will be the favourites after having put up a grand double with I-League and Federation Cup glory. Salgaocar won Federation Cup last month after a gap of 14 years. The Vasco-based club has been a force ever since Karim Bancharifa lifted them out of a tough period in 2009-10 season. With a methodical planning and execution of strategies, the Moroccan tactician looks set to take Salgaocar to new heights in the new season. Churchill brothers have run into a great form with victory in the Durand Cup. The most important factor for Churchill will be their strength in depth on the bench. Without three key players including Beto, Churchill brothers won the Durand Cup final. This was the first silverware for new coach Manuel Gomes, who had taken over in the summer. Patron Churchill Alemao praised the boys for winning the title in the absence of three main players.
आमचे main key player, तिगोय main key player नाहले, Henry, Beto, आणि आमको बालन. उत्तोरी असताना भुरगे इतले हेवले जीव हेवले, आणि फेलिक्स गोलकीपरांनी बरे हे केले, आणि देवागे सपोर्टाचेर सायबीणी सपोर्टाचेर आमी जिखले.
On the other hand, India's most successful club, Dempo Sports Club, has had a quiet run-up to the I-League, which begins on Saturday. With lots going on around the club when long-serving coach Armando Colasso was part of India's setup, Dempo are yet to warm up to their top form. However, it will be a huge mistake to count the Panji-based club out of reckoning as pre-tournament favourites. Dempo have brought in some new players and they may take some time to gel perfectly. Particularly the attacking midfield role, which Beto did so brilliantly, will take some effort from the coach to fine-tune the team. Overall, the upcoming I-League season could be India's most eagerly contested club football competition. Goa certainly will be divided on support with three pre-tournament favourites in the 14-team national affair. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
While the main team of Churchill brothers returned with the Durand Cup on Sunday, the second team could only manage a solitary goal victory over Santa Cruz Club of Cavelosi in Kingfisher Pro League. The match was played at Tilak Stadium in Vasco.
Churchill brothers could have won by a bigger margin had they converted all their chances. Santa Cruz Club also had their opportunities but failed to take them. Here are some highlights. Reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madakaikar.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.